Hello guys, this is QJ from 10x Web Developers. Today I'm going to show you one simple tip which is quite useful. How you can quickly switch color format through your Chrome DevTools, which is quite a nice tip. So this is the post that I just finished. So it's going to walk you through how you can change the color format quickly. So firstly, just open up your DevTool. So if you don't know, you can right click and click this little inspect options. Right click your mouse, and then if you open up your Chrome developer tools, and then this is on the Elements tab where you can see all these HTML elements, and then on the right hand side you will have the style panel, which you can see all the styles, CSS styles that related to the element that you selected. So now I'm going to show you how you can quickly switch the color format. So I'm going to find element with the color so we can see how you can change it. Alright, so this one is the body. So the color now is this color. So to quickly switch them, you can hover this and then you press Shift key and then you click this little icon, the color picker icon, and then you can see the color formats has been changed. So you can quickly going through this different color format like RGBA or HSLA or just simply hex code. Alright, I hope this little video help you learn something. So if you have any comments, any suggestions, any complaining, leave a comment in the comment section. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.